Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have admin access and 2FA set. Now begin. Open the ad server console, navigate to users, and click Create New User. Enter the user's full name and corporate email, then assign the correct role. Make sure to choose role permissions that map to required actions, not blanket admin rights. Once done, select 2FA method and temporary password settings because initial credentials and security determine both onboarding friction and long-term auditability. Now configure permissions carefully, review role templates, and adjust granular rights for view, edit, serve, and billing tasks. If the user needs cross-account access, set campaign scope to specific advertisers or folders, otherwise restrict to minimize risk. Enable API access only when required and generate an API key with limited scopes. Make sure to record the key securely and enforce rotation policies. Finally, confirm time zone, reporting access, and any rate limits that affect their daily work. Finish by sending the activation link and forcing a password reset on first login so credentials remain private. Verify 2FA enrollment immediately, then test login and perform a sample action to confirm permissions behave as intended. Record the creation in audit logs and notify the user with setup instructions and escalation contacts. If something fails, check role inheritance and API scopes first. Often fixes are a single permission toggle in the role hierarchy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.